Okay, hear me out. What happens when fairy tales don't end with happily ever after, but keep throwing in the drama, magic, and a whole new generation of villains and heroes? Yup, Disney's Descendants is back, and guys, Descendants 5 isn't just another sequel, it might be the wildest twist this saga has ever seen. Hey guys, welcome back to Screen Explain TV, the place where we break down your favorite movies and series in plain language with all the juicy details you might have missed it. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and join the family because we've got a lot of story worlds to explore together. So let's rewind for just a second. Descendants started with the children of Disney villains Mal, Evie, Jay, Carlos kids growing up with a choice: repeat their parents, dark legacy, or find their own path. From Odin to the Isles of the Lost, it's been about loyalty, friendship, and breaking free from those labels. We have seen weddings, betrayals, epic battles, and of course, magic fashion moments. Now, after Descendants 3 wrapped up in Mal and Ben's story with a fairy tale wedding, many fans thought that's right, trilogy completed. But Disney surprised us with the Pocket Watch spin-off. That movie cracked the door wide open again, new characters, a time-traveling twist, and hints that this universe isn't slowing down anytime soon. Which brings us right here, Descendants 5. What's the buzz? Well, it looks like the film is going to expand the story even further. We're talking new heroes of iconic villains, unexpected alliances, and maybe, just maybe, some returns of the old favorites. Mal and Evie show up again. Rumors are strong. Uma takes a bigger role, very likely. And those time travel threats? Fans are already speculating if the new plot might let us revisit past storylines, rewrite destiny, or bring back characters we thought were gone for good. And let's not forget the music. Every Descendants film has dropped tracks that instantly go viral. From Rotten to the Core to Queen of Mean, the franchisee has this way of turning storylines into songs we can't stop singing. So imagine what Descendants 5 could bring. Will we get a brand new villain anthem? A power duet between the old cast and the newcomers? Fans are already predicting the soundtrack might be the thing that ties generations together. And honestly, they're probably right. And the fan theories? Ooh. Some believe that Descendants 5 will dive deeper into the villains' kids we haven't met yet, like Dr. Facilio's legacy, or even characters from more modern Disney classics. Others think the central conflict could be about whether history should be changed or accepted. Thanks to that time travel setup. But here's the big one. Will this movie pass the torch for good? Is Descendants 5 the beginning of a new era for the franchisee? Fans are excited but also nervous because balancing nostalgia with fresh blood is tricky. Still, if anyone can do it, it's Disney's villain kids. So yeah, Descendants 5 isn't just a sequel, it's shaping up like a bridge between the generation's classic characters we love and brand new stories we're about to obsess over. Personally, I'm hyped to see if Mal and her crew get their comeback or if the spotlight fully shifts to the newcomers. But what do you think? Should Disney keep focusing on the OGs or hand over the crowd to the fresh ones? Drop your theories in the comments below because I'll be reading every single one. And that's it for today's breakdown. Thanks for watching Screen Explain TV, where we don't just watch the magic, we explain it. Until next time, stay curious, stay legendary.